Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Mari's Creative Space. My name is Mari and today I'm going to be making a lovely Easter mesh grid using mostly items from Dollar Tree, and it came out absolutely lovely. I really hope that you guys enjoy. So let's just go ahead and jump into it. Okay you guys, this is the items that I'm going to be using to make this grid. Right over here, I have 5 rolls of mesh, but I ended up using just 4. And this is the frame of the grid that I'm going to be making. I finally find the bunny frame in my Dollar Tree, and yes, spring is in the air. I'm going to be cutting each of these rolls in 10 inches. These ones in particular, they are not the regular mesh. This is the real soft mesh. I'm showing you the sticker over there. I'm pretty sure you guys know what is the mesh that I'm using. This one is a little bit more softer than the other one. So from these rolls, I get 11 pieces. 11 pieces. And these ones, I'm going to be cutting it in 7 inches, but then off camera, I changed my mind and I ended up doing the other ones at 10 inches. If I'm not mistaken, that's what I'm showing you right over there. So yeah, each of those blue rolls give me 11 pieces, and then the rest of the rolls, they are the regular mesh, give me 24 pieces at 10 inches each. So this is what I'm doing when I'm kind of rushing. I just make sure that I have the inches that I really want to cut, and then I keep folding the roll all over, one on top of each other, and I ended up cutting it with my scissors, and like that I don't have to do one by one like you guys see me doing right over here, or I did right over here. And this is the only piece that I got left from this row, and I think it was 6 inches. That's what I got left, and I ended up using even that one at the end for a bow. So I really don't recommend you guys to do this. I just do this when, like I say, when I'm trying to do things, rushing and quick in a quicker way. So, but it helped me sometimes when I'm trying to do things quicker. But I don't recommend it to you guys. So yeah. So now I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to be making the little balls, or to me they look like balls. I don't know. So I just like fold it twice, and then I just keep going with my fingers, and then at the end I just fold it twice again. I don't know if I'm explaining myself. So I think it's better that you guys watch me doing it. You can use a zip tie or you can use a pipe cleaner, but I'm going to be holding it with my pink little clip over here until I tie everything together. So I'm showing you right over here how I did it. You see, I just fold the ends, and then in the middle I just pick it out the whole mesh, like moving my fingers. So here you can see the mess behind me with what I did, and I cut all my mesh. Yeah, I just cut 4 of them to be in the safe size. And I'm going to be placing the little balls just in the middle of the frame and in the outside of the frame. I'm not going to be using the first, it's 3 lines or 3 wires. So I'm going to be using the outside, the 2 outside ones. I'm going to be showing you right over here. It's better if you guys look at me, because explaining is something real hard for me sometimes. You see, the first one is in the outside, and then the second one, I think I'm going to be putting it in the middle one. I never going to use the third one in the inside. And I'm going to be alternating the colors like blue, white, and pink, blue, white, and pink. One inside, one outside, one inside, one outside, or one in the third, one in the second, one in the third, one in the second. You know what I mean? So yeah, and don't worry, I'm not going to make you watch me cover the whole frame. I'm just trying to make sure that you guys see exactly what I'm doing. You know what I recommend, what I want to recommend it to you guys to don't leave the pipe cleaner too long if you're going to use pipe cleaner, because I never like to cut them before I finish my grids, but in this case I cut them because they was like too long and they was right in my, in the middle, so I ended up cutting them. So it's better if you cut them like in three pieces, like three pieces, like instead of doubling in the half and cut them, just cut them in three pieces. So yeah, I'm going to do one more set, starting with the blue. To be sure you guys can see what I'm doing. Yeah, I decided to cut the rest of the pipe cleaner because they was way too long. This bunny frame is not that big. I mean, you can see there is a bunny because it got the ears and all that stuff, but it's not that big, especially the bottom part that I'm working right now. Yeah, you see, I'm keeping doing the colors in the same, in the same way, like I said before. A pattern, yes, a pattern. And in each of the spaces, the frame got three or four spaces. It took me exactly 12 pieces in each of them. Like I'm showing you right over there, that's 12 pieces in that one. So I'm going to do the same thing. You see, I have my little paper over there showing you guys. It's 12 in each section. And don't worry about fixing and fluff the bows at the end. You're gonna have enough time to do it. And right over here, you have the whole tee complete. That's how we look in the back. And remember, if you're making a grid to sell, you always have to cover the back because it's gonna look better like that. But because this one is for me, I'm gonna leave it just like that. It's fine with me. So these I'm sorry, these pipe cleaners are white, and I'm going to be using them to cover the ears. And this was an idea that just come to my head as soon that I finished placing the mesh around the frame. I said, oh, I'm gonna use this white pipe cleaners and I'm gonna be covering the bunny ears, and I just use glue in the beginning and at the end that I put the pipe cleaner, because this is wire, so this is not going nowhere. But just to be in the safe side, I decided to use like a drop of glue. So yeah, I'm going to be covering both ears, and it's real simple. The only part in between the ears at the end is a little bit uncomfortable. And this mesh from Dollar Tree, oh, there you have it. Look at that. You see, real simple. And I use four, two in each ear. And this is the bow that I made. This is the only thing that is not from Dollar Tree. That ribbon is from Walmart. It's like a turquoise or teal color um, truck. Yeah, the blue truck. It's absolutely gorgeous. So I use a zip tie because I made two different bows. One in pink using this ribbon that I'm going to be using to place it in right in the middle right over here that you see me, and the one with the blue truck. And the pink ribbon is from Dollar Tree. I just want to cover the zip tie, and I'm going to be using some glue, a tiny bit of glue. There you have it. And I'm going to be using another zip tie to place it right in the middle of the bunny ears. That how you call it? Bunny ears? Or the bunny ears have another name? Let me know in the comments below, you guys. So right in the middle over there, I just look for a space, and that's where I'm going to be putting the beautiful bow. And then off camera, I use two left mesh bows that I got left, blue and white, and I place a little bow covering the zip tie in the middle of the bow. You're gonna see it right in the picture. And that's all I did. I really hope that you guys enjoy this video, and as always, give me a like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you so much for spending some time with me. Again, you guys, I'm going to be see you in the next one.